Now we are going to talk about updates. If you want to add an update to one of your courses, you have to come here. And here's where you're going to add your update. You want to type the text. Let's say I want to remind them to sign up for the Spanish club. Well, remember that you can also include files. I want to include this picture. Links. Resources. You can make an audio recording too. Polls. We're going to be talking about that in a minute. Or you can copy to other groups. And now you just have to post. That is what it looks like. They can comment, say they like it. And here's a very interesting thing, which is the polls. I'm going to show you how to create a poll. I like to use it in different ways, but one way that I like to use it is as a classroom close-up. So when we finish the classroom, sometimes I make them vote which things or how much they have understood the lesson or which things they would like to reinforce. So let's make it easy for this example. So let's say, how well did you understand today's lesson? You say very well. Well, we can add more options. I need reinforcement, or not at all, let's say. And then you post it, and your students will have to vote. And it will show like one vote. And the interesting thing about this is that they don't get to see who marks the votes. So it's like anonymous for them. You'll see when I show it to you in the Students View video that the updates will appear here, like they have 1 update, 3 updates. Now I'm going to show you another different thing that I did with an update, just in case it gives you an idea. Well, these are past updates that I made. For example, you can use it to announce like the winners of a contest. But I also like it for votes. For example, they made a project, they had to draw a picture, it was like a mind map, and they had to come up with their own. And then I picked the best ones, the best designs, and they had to decide which one was the best. So I put all the pictures that were picked for the final decision here, which is, by the way, a very cool tool I found in classtools.net, and I made an art gallery. There are some more, but I will show you 3 examples. So they had to follow the link that I attached to the update, and they had to check the 10 finalists. I gave each of them a name, and then they had to go back and vote. So they voted, each section voted, and then I could count the votes and have first, second, and third place. And then in a different update, I posted the champions. If you have any more ideas on how to use this feature in Schoology with your class, please press the button that you will find in the website and add a comment.